Ooh! Ooh!
You know what?
What?
It smells just like the herbs.
Yeah, because
the
it's ghost
herbs
pepper.
ghost pepper. It smells.
It's also-
That ghost pepper got that smell to it. That.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I
man.
do that.
It stink.
I do that.
It got that. Oh.
Oh my god.
Yo, if this wasn't a challenge, I would never eat a. I'm sorry. I would never eat 100. Oh, this is. Oh man, it's giving me chills. Ooh. I gotta wait. I gotta finish my wood because I think I'm catching a migraine.
I'll show you how it looks like. Oh, my mom is, taking a break. It does look pretty bad. It looks like a
Yeah, I'm taking
burrito.
a cool my mouth down break.
And I'm trying to get a headache.
All right, so this is the last one, and I'm a little scared because I watched Dame Drop's video of him eating this, and he was like, it's like fire.
Like ghost pepper or
And like
Carolina Reaper?
this one, he had this one, the haunted ghost pepper.
Word.
And yo, Dave Drops, he's the man. He be dropping that knowledge for real. And if he said this is hot,
It's gonna
I
be
believe him. So I'm kind of scared.
hot. Don't be scared.
Ooh.
You're filled with determination.
I'm getting like some
filled with
heat chills in my
determination.
body.
Here you go.
Oh.
Mom, we gotta do it.
All right. We can do this. As long as I don't smell it, I think I'm okay.
Just kidding.
That never works. We
never works.
We learned that from the iced tea taste test, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You want toast on it?
3, 2, 1, go.
Is it hot?
It's not bad. Oh, it's not that bad.
Are you sure?
I'm serious.
Ethan, I saw you. If I take this, eat this, and it's hot. Yo, if I taste it and this set my mouth on fire, it's gonna be me and you, yo.
Okay, hold up.
Wait. Your face is getting ready. You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Mom, it's so hot.
I'm just gonna Ethan, you all right?
Yeah.
Okay. You got me scared.
Hold up. I gotta sit up and drink. No.
Ethan.
I'm gonna finish it. Hold up.
Yo, I'm scared. Are you serious?
Hold up.
Is it really that hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh my God.
I'm getting the milk. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you drink milk. Just get you a cup of milk then. Get a cup and put some milk in it. All right. Dang, he got me all scared to taste this now.
That's why I should have tasted it at the same time.
Then I wouldn't have known it was that hot.
Well, apparently you didn't know it was that hot. It would be that hot because they drops, Mom. No.
I just took a bite.
Adverts, remember that?
You know, your uncle said he almost passed out when he ate this. Okay. It sneaks up on you? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Because I'm tasting like the corn, right?
The corn tortilla.
You're
Cheating. You're cheating. So how's it?
Okay.
Oh my God.
I haven't gotten up. It's hot. Oh, I almost got that. You ate your whole chip?
Yep.
All right. I'm feeling it now.
Exactly.
Oh, God, I feel it in my body. Oh, crap. Oh, my God.
Milkshake. Milkshake.
Oh, God, it's burning my gums. Oh, crap. Oh, Oh my God. Oh God. Okay.
Oh God.
This craps. Oh, my tongue is burning. You have to do this. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my
I'll
God.
finish it for you if you want. Yeah, you want me to?
I got to swiggle that milkshake around. Hold on.
It's so hot for me.
I got to eat it. I got to finish it off. Oh my God. I feel this in my body. Oh God.
I can't.
Oh my God.
I can't.
My whole mouth is on fire. Oh my God.
Take your milkshake.
I can't. My tongue is burning from. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Okay, I gotta finish this off. Oh my God.
I can't.
Oh my God. Yo, this is the hottest goddamn chip I ever tasted in my damn life.
That we had today.
Oh my God. This, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yo, I feel like my insides are burning.
I can't.
Someone please call 911. I can't. Oh. Yo, I'm literally like, I'm about to cry. Oh my God. This is not even eat a whole chip.
Just eat the rest.
Damn it. Oh my God. Where's your dad? I need help. Oh.
He's upstairs. What did he help with?
Give me some tissue. I'm crying. Oh my God.
I can't.
I cannot. Yo, I don't know who the hell gonna eat the rest of them darn chips, but I can't talk. Oh my God.
Mom. So we learned today.
What we learned? Hey. Oh my God. Yo, this is no joke.
You should have it so slow.
I did. Oh God.
You shouldn't have ate it so slow. If you did, then you
I had to.
No, Mom, if you did, then you would have tasted the whole chip.
All right. Note to self. Please. Oh my God. Don't try this at home. Yo. All right. Oh God. I got how my face behind his back. Oh God. Yo.
Like, Mom,
What it
please.
says, it is saying about a ghost pepper. Burn these damn things. And, I can't. Ooh. Yo, I can't even focus. My mind.
Please stop laughing for a second.
This is not for the faint of
Please
heart.
stop for a second. I need to. I gotta make sure I don't choke.
I don't know how the heck I would do the Carolina Reaper. I can't. I probably would die. Oh my God.
Stop, please. Mom, for 1 second.
All right. My gums are burning. I'm serious, Ethan. I'm serious, and you joke laughing.
I can't.
I'm getting body chills. Just eating that damn thing. I can't eat it. I can't.
He's like Jim Carrey.
Give me some tissue. I'm crying.
Again?
You never got the tissue, bro. Did you?
I got the tissue, remember?
I don't even remember. No. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry.
Oh God.
Stop making the noise. Please stop making the noise. It's funny.
Okay. Ethan. You're gonna have to finish this because I can't. My gum.
Mom, we can just end. Mom.
My gum hurt.
I'm pretty sure it's the end since you tried every single chip.
My gum hurt though. Take it over. Tell them who done won it.
Wait, what?
Tell them who won.
So
What snack one?
I gotta say the snack one for the hottest. Paqui, because it was really hot and over my mom died.
Damn thing out of here.
And the least hottest is a tie between these two. Because these two are supposed to be hot, even though they weren't. And the winner for this challenge is a
Yo,
person.
look, I have goosebumps. Look at that. My hair is standing up. Ooh.
Person
I
that
think I could talk now.
the person that won is the person that didn't make that many noises and almost died. So that's me.
Sorry.
I
don't even know what to say. I can't even talk right
I
now.
hurt my side with this chair.
I can't even talk right now. My brain ain't working. Thanks to that damn chip.
Oh my God, Mom. I'm gonna have some more flavor shots.
Okay. We out. Till next time.